The Vantrue N4 offers triple-channel coverage, recording from the front, rear, and inside the vehicle. This makes it ideal for rideshare drivers or parents. It features high-resolution video with up to 1440p for the front camera and 1080p for others. Infrared night vision ensures clear footage in low light. However, it lacks Wi-Fi and GPS, requiring manual file transfers and offering no location data. The Nextbase 622 gigawatts is a premium dashcam with 4K video quality, GPS, and smart features. It includes digital image stabilization for smooth footage and an emergency SOS feature that alerts services if you're unresponsive. Alexa integration allows voice control, and What 3 Words pinpoints locations. Despite its higher price and large file sizes, it's perfect for tech-savvy users seeking top-quality video and safety features. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is compact and user-friendly, offering essential functions in a discrete package. It records in 1080p HD and supports voice control for hands-free operation. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, footage syncs to the Garmin Drive app, providing easy management. While lacking a display screen and advanced features like GPS, it's ideal for those wanting a simple, reliable dashcam.